So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can replace a clip on the timeline without removing the effects that you have applied on it. Now, for example, this is the video clip, and I have applied the digital glitch effect on this particular clip right there. Now, if I don't want my effects to be gone, but I want to replace the clip because I want to, all you need to do just simply press and hold Alt on your keyboard. Now, once you do it, just simply drag and drop the new clip to the clip where you want to. Let's say there might be some mistake right there. Just simply, let's, for example, if I selected this one, just simply press and hold Alt on the keyboard and drag and drop it to the new video clip that you want. Now, once you do it, you'll notice that the effects have been right there only. For example, let's say if I press Alt right there and drag and drop it to the video clip, it does not removed the effect it's just replaced the clip right there. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.